Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're looking at the Breville Barista Pro, right? The BES 878 BTR in black truffle, to be exact.
Yup, and stacked up against it is the Jura E8, a fully automatic machine. Big price difference, though. The Jura is significantly more. Are we talking apples and oranges here?
True. Let's dive in and see. Okay, the Breville is semi-automatic. You're involved in the process, grinding, tamping, pulling the shot. It's got that integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, which I love for fresh espresso.
The Jura E8, being super automatic, handles almost everything. You just press a button. It also has a grinder, a professional aroma grinder, they call it. And get this, it boasts 17 programmed specialties, everything from espresso to latte macchiato.
17. Okay, the Breville is more about mastering the chart of espresso. It's got features like low-pressure pre-infusion and precise digital temperature control, PID, within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. You really dial in the perfect shot.
The Jura E8 definitely prioritizes convenience and variety. It's got a 2.8-inch color display, 6 buttons, and they're even using AI to learn your preferences. Sounds pretty hands-off.
Right, but with the Breville, you get a manual steam wand. That gives you ultimate control over milk texturing for latte art. You can really get that microfoam just right.
The Jura has programmable milk foam settings. So push a button, and boom, perfect cappuccino. But is it your perfect cappuccino? That's the question.
The Breville is a bit of a beast, weighing in at 19.5 pounds, and it's got a 67-ounce water tank, which is decent.
The Jura is surprisingly light at only 1 pound, according to the specs. But hold on a second. This is a renewed Jura E8. That means it's pre-owned and refurbished. Something to keep in mind. Definitely.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories. Single and dual wall filter baskets, the Razor precision dose trimming tool, a stainless steel milk jug, cleaning kit, and even a water filter.
The Jura focuses on its internal tech, like the pulse extraction process, PEP. They say it maximizes flavor for short drinks. It's all about automation and consistent results.
So if you're someone who enjoys the ritual of making espresso, wants to experiment with grind sizes and tamping pressure, and likes having control over the milk steaming, the Breville Barista Pro seems like a solid choice. Plus, it's currently on sale for around $680, down from $850.
But if you want a machine that does almost everything for you, offers a wide range of drink options, and you don't mind potentially buying a renewed product, the Jura E8 might be the way to go. Though, at around $2,000, it's a serious investment.
It really depends on your priorities, your budget, and how much you enjoy being hands-on. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.